Hey, what's going on, everybody? Brian here, Revenue Pro Tips. Welcome to the Revenue Pro Tips channel, where every single week we bring you tips, information, even online-based opportunities to help you create either some income or even multiple flows of income, whether that be in your personal life and or your business life. So if you're new to the channel, consider subscribing at any time during this video by hitting the little red subscribe button and the bell notification right next to it so you don't miss when we upload new content. Now, going on into today's Quick Tip Tuesday video of the week. Guys, we're going to be talking about entrepreneurship and basically what you should be focused on as an entrepreneur. All right. So our focus is your focus as an entrepreneur. You know, one of the things that I think, especially this day and age, with so much information out there at our fingertips, is that we easily get distracted, okay? And unfortunately, even with all the new information, we still have a lot of people taking an old approach or an educated approach to creating success as an entrepreneur, otherwise business person, all right? And what I mean by that, guys, is as an entrepreneur, you should want to be focused on, or your only focus, ladies and gentlemen, is this right here. You need to be focused on money, okay? This is our focus. And one of the things that I think, kind of misunderstood things about entrepreneurship is that we have people teaching old methods or maybe college educational methods of entrepreneurship. And what I mean by that is, instead of focusing on money or revenue first as an entrepreneur, you have people going and trying to build businesses first. Guys, what I want you to understand in today's tip is all about revenue and understanding the difference between building a revenue source and a business. A business is basically designed and should always be designed secondary to your main revenue generating product, service, whatever it is, okay? So the business supports the revenue stream, okay? You don't build a business first, then go out and try to get money to start coming in. No, that will leave you basically flat out broke, maybe even in debt, before you even give yourself a chance to be successful in building and running a successful company or business. All right, so first comes revenue. Second comes the business, okay? You want to focus on creating a source of revenue first, creating some kind of money, get some kind of money coming in, and then build a business around that, right? You don't go out and build a customer service team, a marketing team, a design team. You don't go out and hire, you know, a CEO, a CFO, a COO, all these people to create a business and then say, okay, how can we start bringing in money? No, first what you do is say, how am I going to bring in money, and start bringing in money. Let the money provide this and bring this to life, okay? Let the money start allowing you to pay other people to start doing other tasks in the business that support this right here, your source of revenue. So whatever is your source of revenue is what the business needs to be built around, okay? Do not start trying to build a business. Usually in a lot of schools in our education system, what happens is they say you have to go out and get financing, a business plan. You have to hire this person, and that person first, and then maybe you have an opportunity to go out and start making money. Wrong. Guys, we don't build the business first. We focus on this right here. Revenue, money, money, money. Okay? So, quick video, but I want you to understand, highly important, because what happens is a lot of people think they have to go and spend all this money, get all these people involved, and then maybe have a shot at creating some money and running a successful company and business, and that will put you in the tank. That will have you mentally exhausted before you give yourself a shot, unless you have all kind of resources monetarily, you know, all kind of people have great connections. I'm not saying that you can't build a business at the same time, but what's the point of building a business if there's no money to be made? Okay, so focus on the money first, guys. Get you some money coming in, allow that to feed and build this business over here. Okay, with that said, that is it for today's Quick Tip Tuesday video of the week. I hope that you guys have enjoyed this video. I hope that you have gotten great value from this video. If you have, let us know. Hit that thumbs up button. Let us know you like the video. Share it. Subscribe. And we will see you next time. Peace.